Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're tackling how to view screen time on Android in 2025. With smartphones becoming an even bigger part of our lives, keeping tabs on your screen time is essential for maintaining a healthy balance. Whether you're a parent monitoring kids or just curious about your own habits, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, let's fire up your Android device. Make sure it's running the latest update, Android 15 or higher for 2025, to access the most accurate features. Start by unlocking your phone and heading to the Settings app. It's usually that gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This section is your gateway to all things screen time related. Tap on that, and you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a colorful overview of your daily and weekly screen time stats. It breaks down usage by app, so you can spot if you're spending too much time on social media or games. Pretty eye-opening, right? If you want more details, just tap on any app to see a timeline of your activity. One cool feature in 2025 is the ability to set custom limits. Go to App Timers, or Focus Mode, within Digital Wellbeing to cap your usage on specific apps. This way, you can build better habits without constantly checking the clock. Remember, if you're using a Samsung, Google Pixel, or another brand, the exact layout might vary slightly, but the core options are the same across Android devices. And that's it, super straightforward. By monitoring your screen time, you'll be more mindful of your digital habits and maybe even free up some time for real-world adventures. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.